These nice Ackee we got yesterday.
Yes, Macho.
We got some more today.
And more today too. Wow.
Yeah. No pick no more, man.
No pick no more.
They forget, you know.
More out there.
No pick them.
More than drop off. Me pick them already.
Carry and come on.
Source.
Let me do what I do.
Sweet full.
I know. We picked a bunch.
But last week, man, it full and bad, man. Yeah, hold the parky and then drop out. Few rain. Ackee like mango, you know. Ackee up there again.
What man again?
With the then drop out the band, yeah. Now when I climb it again, I used to climb it, you know, regular. Yeah, go there. I don't climb it again. I just run up in the tree there, you know. Get there and I want to go pick Ackee anytime, you know. Night time, yeah, man. Sure.
There were some low-hanging ones the other day. Me and Ratty were able to jump for them.
Oh.
And Ratty climbed the tree on one of his yards, and it's, I guess...
Where? Ratty climb tree. Ratty no time now we climb tree.
You don't climb on tree.
He climbed the tree.
Do with all dumpling. Not even saltfish now in there.
dumpling.
No in there, man. I just boil with the raw flour and chew up and eat saltfish. I
can't dumpling.
But me have to directly I know. And if me want Ackee to eat, me have to roast a breadfruit and put oil with it and boil the Ackee and eat it. But if it mix up in the oil thing there, come like it because too much. We eat it too with roast breadfruit, you know? One slice or one slice or so. Got you the pan fire, water, it a boil up, look. Look. I put in the Ackee there, you know?
Steam come out of the pot.
But it now boil up.
Steam come out of the pot.
Let me flip it.
Oh, never see it.
What is wrong with it? What is wrong
Oh,
with it?
sorry.
What is wrong with it?
I'm afraid to touch them good things.
Then body now you have to be careful.
I'm afraid to touch them.
Okay. Come, catch some little prong. Little one come here. I'm for sure we can do. Ratty, no one done trash. You have to trash a million. Can't make you one big one down in there so.
Yeah, man, I see too. The back of the bamboo, there's a back of the stick there.
Look on it, this man to trash.
You see it first.
I'm going to put on the trash pan and come. The trash them. Then too big and pretty, made in your fuck.
Because I drive them and spray them.
You're not going to spray them out, burn them out. Again.
But now them are beer.
But no.
You can't spray them. What we're gonna get some melon to cover them up. You're gonna see all the size them big.
Okay.
Here's one more gonna. That's one cover.
Coming in hot.
You got the trash?
Yeah. We'll cut them right now, right away.
I would even plant them flowers there, these type of flowers in there. They show them red.
Those red ones, yeah. They look really nice.
Yeah, that's why I put it, get me fire pot, you know. Because you have fire when time I make picture. I have some over there so too.
You show them to them.
Yeah.
What's the name of them?
Yeah,
Something nice.
people that call them wild cat, but I think I want a wild one them, they are two different types, but them are the red bloody one. Yo, the bloom not big yet, you know. They got big, you know, man.
Gonna get huge.
Yeah, man.
You see the melon come back.
But insect eat the one over me ganja over there, so.
Yeah.
The insect then eat up the leaves.
Come back, come go check again.
So Mokko, these are the same flowers as you were pointing out?
Yes.
Same ones, so these are gonna get giant.
I remember I eat it. Look.
Yeah, they get them.
Like that sweet fucking thing. Then I eat it. And every time I'm on them, so
Pick them off
you come pick them off and burn them.
And
But
cook
them are got big.
Come on, let's go.
And then I talk up, you know, them big man, big.
Why
pretty
is that?
balloon.
Yeah, if them in small, so me wouldn't fit them.
So just
Okay, them are turn yellow.
boiling up in water.
Yeah, I can't fry, man. I can't fry, I can't roast him.
Yeah, but you like the boil, is what I'm saying.
Uh-huh.
Just makes it a little softer, a little nicer.
Mm-hmm. And all of them, you know, some ackee sharp, some tough, you know. You have the butter one and you have the one with the toughish, you know.
Them are turn yellow.
Went to boil.
Last time I done, I had it for me. I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna zing, 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 zing.
Fry from clean and cook inside, you know.
I'm not to try on here.
Dirty right now.
Yeah, and you have some more one
on, come.
with it. Grandpa will eat something good. Bend it down, look more. Alright, down.
Come put your shirt up, buddy.
Yeah, look here. What? Cocking up the back of that.
Not that sharp, you know.
I'm pushing
I
on.
want to set now, you know. I'm going to set it. Until I have nothing to do. Right, you look over. If I stand up here, take your time prep.
What's on the stove here? Dig.
No, put it down flat, I'm going to see if it's better right now.
Alright, what is that?
Put it down flat. Put it,
Yeah, better.
Yes, God use the dust. Make other man heave. And give him all thing over dominion. And once, and take one of them ribs from the left side. And make heave. And heave. God other man heave. So they must multiply. Then got the woman pregnant. Right? Heave pregnant. And the serpent tell him say, if you eat this apple, you shall wise like God. And God make you, you be wise than God. Now we go eat the apple. Now we give Adam. The two of them, God turn them out of the garden. So at dust, the man, God blew in Adam mouth. Make him out of clear. Man of dirt, they make man out of. You see that? So if Uncle God can't blow this dust and don't blow back the bird in Adam. And then he take the ribs from Adam left side and make Eve come in the garden and come do stupidness. Come pick the serpent, pull him to come pick the apple. Oh, you're gonna, come now, do it now. You want to wise? Sure like God. Or you can make wise than the man we create you. And then tell them, you're not to touch this tree, none at all. You will eat the tree of life. And he never eat the tree of life. See? He eat the bad fruit, the serpent trick him. Now, God say to the serpent, now you shall lick the dust of the earth for your life. And you must go away from these two people. If they catch you, they will crush your head. And that's it. That's what God say. So some people have picked the wrong fruit.
And that was a question about dust. And that was the answer. And that was the answer.
While you know, see your head come up, you know. Yes, brother.
Let's go on the phone.
Righty.
Well,
So Jalby, this pimento wood, what you gonna use these for?
Well, there's a cut something, and there's one cutting board too.
Oh, okay.
We have two little bits of nice stick we put there, you know. Where we put it pan when the smoke on and eat the fish.
right.
Yeah, put it there. And this, then I bring the smoke up on it. So it cannot dry how we want it. Yeah, the man that cut up herb, you know. Cut up the herb, you know. Not do it, you know. Things are a bit shiny. And then I put it in the sun, you know.
Did you let all the water boil out on its own, or you poured it out when you're ready?
That's what I don't know.
This is a magic touch.
Right amount of hockey now.
Mm-hmm.
I told you said breakfast in the morning.
This is the classic Ackee Scallion.
I do hear something.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna get mine over there. You're the bird now, Grandpa.
Keep them one and get it down. Better. I want to get the head. Mokko and egg again and eat them and shit.
That's new.
Eat chicken. That's why I don't take it, I cook it, make nobody cook it. It's not for cooking our food. You know. I keep it cooked by itself. If you don't cook it by itself, it ties you. In your food. Some people cook it in their food. I don't cook it in my food. The doctor says not to cook it in your food. I don't can dangerous. Yeah. But I don't cook hockey in food. So man, garbage and put the hockey on the food and everything, pick out now. Well, that are several things what I man do. Pan it open, you know. It won't hurt you, you know. But if you beat it.
So what did it? Alright, so I'm decided to eat my breakfast in the hammock. Just chilling here. Yours done. Yours got vacuumed up in a second. So this is classic Ackee, no saltfish. So it's a vegetarian one. We got Ackee with scallion and thyme, and that's it. So looks awesome. Big up to Ratty for picking yesterday. Man.
Good.
Yeah, when it's right from the tree like that, you cannot beat that freshness. Oh my
Yeah, you
gosh.
can eat it. From the tree.
You can eat it raw, but something like this. It's a surprise to me that Mokko doesn't eat it anymore, but hell, I guess that's more for me and Rat, yeah? Yeah, man. All right. Bless up.
Yeah, more looking at the pot.
All right, good one. Thank you.
Yeah.